my name is Monica Velasquez. I'm the digital specialist for Hapag-Lloyd. Welcome to our North America digital channel for USA and Canada. Today, I'm going to show you how to complete the cargo and equipment tab for refrigerated cargo, out of gauge, and dangerous good bookings. If this is the first time you are creating an online booking, I suggest you watch the video on how to create bookings on the website. So let me share my screen, and we're going to start from the cargo and equipment tab. In this example, we're going to start with the dangerous good booking. Under quantity, we're going to select 1, and the type of container will be a high cube. The release date is going to be 2/13, and the description is going to be the residue. The harmonized code is going to be 390690, and then you can click on Assign Details. On the next screen, we're just going to add the cargo weight. It's going to be 1,800 kilograms. And next, we're going to click on the DG details. Please make sure that you have the IMO in front of you to avoid any rejections or cancellations, as you need to complete all the fields marked with the asterisk. On this page, we're going to add the UN number. It's going to be 1866. The class is going to be flammable liquids 3. The packing group is going to be 3. The proper shipping name is going to be 23. We're going to add the weight. It's going to be 1,700. Aggregation state is going to be liquid. And the flash point is going to be 33. Next, we're going to have the outer package quantity. We're going to select 80. And it's going to be drums. We're going to select the drums and the type of drums that you're going to be sending. We're going to use the steel, and the outer packaging description is going to be drums. Next will be the emergency contact. It's going to be Kentrek. Ensure that you use the phone number and the reference number. Once you complete the information, just click Save. If you miss anything from this page, it's going to show you a red letter for whatever is missing in this case. Once that information is completed, if you have several containers, you need to ensure that you add the same information for each container, as the data cannot copy at this point. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a refrigerated booking. Now we are the cargo and equipment tab. We're going to select one container. From the menu, we're going to select the 45 refill. The empty pickup is going to be the 13. For the description, it's going to be frozen pork. And then click on Assign Details. Now here's where you enter the temperature. It's going to be minus 18 degrees Celsius. If you need to add ventilation or air supply, you can add it at this time. Add the correct weight. And it's going to be 1,800 kilograms. And then you go ahead and click Next. The next thing that I'm going to show you is how to create an out-of-gauge booking. From the cargo and equipment, we're just going to select the quantity. We're just going to use 1. And from the menu, we're going to select an open top high cube. The release date for the empty is going to be this 14. And the description is going to be machinery. Then we select Assign Details. Now we're going to add the cargo weight. It's going to be 14,061 kilograms. And make sure that you click on Out of Gauge tab. Now we're going to be adding the dimensions. The length is going to be 449 centimeters. 390 centimeters for the width, and the height is going to be 192 centimeters as well. Then click Next. Now you know how to complete the Cargo and Equipment tab for refrigerated cargo, out of gauge, and dangerous good book. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, as we will be releasing more content regarding our digital tools in the future.